A blessed day to everyone. I am Shirley Cordova of Central Mindanao University, the Director of the Office of Admissions, Scholarships, and Placement. I am here at United Agarwood Planters Incorporated, accompanying our scholars who received their cash allowance and also the gadgets given by Mid Foundation. We are very much thankful for the opportunity given to our students from the College of Agriculture, and we are also looking forward to more internship partnership with this corporation. I am also very happy because I have met here alumnus of Central Mindanao University to more partnership with UAPI. And thank you so much for Sir Ben Mid. I am very much grateful for meeting Sir Ben. It's my first time and he is really very generous and also he's very kind. That's why it explains why he is also sending and sponsoring scholarships to our students. He also shares a lot about visions of the future of UAPI, which will definitely help the entire community where he's going to start any activity related to agarwood and other botanical endeavors of Mid Foundation. To the Mid Foundation program, thank you so much for starting this scholarship with our students. We are looking forward to more scholarship slots for Central Mindanao University students, and we are very much willing to invite you to our Jobs Fair program if ever you needed the workforce to help you with all your endeavors. Thank you. Mabuhay ang Central Mindanao University and Mid Foundation.